greensandmachines.com.
Hello, I'm Diecast D from greensandmachines.com. Today we're going to be building some wrenches for undoing the wheels on this bike because it doesn't have the quick release skewers, and inconveniently they decided to make the front ones 1/2-inch nuts and the rear ones 15mm. Like, hello? But hey, it's a Huffy rock trail bike. I paid $10 for it at a rummage sale, and I upgraded it with the seat post, the stem, this cargo rack. I'll show some details on that later. But the issue is that in order to service these wheels, I would have to carry around 4 wrenches with me when I'm riding, and I'd rather to carry around 2, so we're going to make some double-ended wrenches with each side on each end. Not that difficult of a project. Here's a closer look at that stem. I had to weld that, put 2 supports because one wasn't enough. There's the seat post, and this cargo rack is really cool. It's made out of an old ironing board, and it opens up. You can store stuff in there. I love this bike. It's like MIG welded, made in the US, and it was only $10. So yeah, let's get to it. So I decided I was going to model the wrench after this one I found at a garage sale, and I'm going to use this piece of material from an old exercise bike. That's where the rear axle mounted on. And then I just trace this out and cut it with the hacksaw at first. But since it's 2-ended, let's do it like this. Then likewise with the other side for the other wrench. First thing, cutting this thing up into bite-sized chunks. I bet someone's going to lecture me on my hacksaw technique, but you know what? They can tell that to the Covenant. We're going to drill some holes to make this thing easier to cut out. Got some center punches on there already. Let's do this. Bigger holes. Started cutting the contour. Bit tricky, but not too difficult. Starting to look like a wrench. Alrighty, now that we got some hacksaw dust everywhere, let's get some grinding dust everywhere. Get the machine covered up so that don't get there. Got these things set up in the vise. Let's see if this setup is worth it to get the sizes right. So it appears to not want to cut this side because it kept going like that. Try something else. Alright. I didn't want it to have to come down to this, but that's what's going to happen. That was the solution to
sandwich it between parallels, and also use an end mill that's sharp enough. I'm gonna file that more around. That's the 1/2 inch side. Now 3 more to go. Alrighty, the wrenches are all done. I knew I was getting judged for how pretty they turned out, so I took an extra long time filing them. And the finishing touch, I'm going to add some letter stamps to denote the sizes, 15mm and 1/2 inch. They taught me in school that the metric system is communistic bullcrap, but hey, I don't have a hammer and sickle letter stamp, so I'll just have to go with numbers. Better yet, why not check which one I'm actually stamping first before I do the wrong one? That's the 15. Got these big fat number stamps, so there won't be any question as to what size that is. That looks really silly, actually. I like it. Let's do the rest of them. There we have it. 15mm and 1/2 inch. I decided to just spell it out because 0.5 looked too much like 1/5 and 1/2, well, I didn't have the slash sign, so I like stamping stuff, so it's on both sides. I mean, come on, man, why do they not put it on both sides on the wrenches? Why would they? Who does this? Now for the tolerance check. 15 fits. 15 fits. Half inch fits. 1/2 inch fits. Yeah, I made the 1/2 inch ones 15 thousandths bigger because I thought my other wrench was like that. But yeah. The other useful part about these wrenches is they work perfectly compatible with my new bike trailer, since these are both 15s. In case I need to unscrew that wheels. So, there you have it. My entry for the tool making contest. I'm Caster D with Greens and Machines, and I will see you at the Barzy Bash this year again.